Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, second flight ever. Second flight of the HSDJETS J-10 in the August 1st livery. All right, let's take her up. I discovered that the low rate, which is the book settings of 60% over 30, I got 40% expo, is the way to go. So, right, left, up, down, right, left, and there is no, there, you do the, no rudder. So, all right, go ahead and put my transmitter of the screen in sleep mode. All right, and you can see that's why I got 60% expo on that nose wheel. For that exact reason. Actually, I'm going to stand over here. I can see it better. All right. And my low rates. Timer set for 4 minutes. Here we go. I forgot I put my elevator trim back. She needs a little bit down elevator. That's good right there. Sorry. I keep forgetting I don't have any rudder. All right, I'm gonna get out here. Yeah, it's windy, starting to get windy. If you're not happy with it, go around. I will tell you, this one's a bit more to fly than the F9. All right, I'll try it again. Try to stay on the runway this time. All right, here we go. Oh, I tell you what, even a low rate, she's a drill bit. That's an accidental touch and go. Yeah, what this plane needs, it needs a rudder. Oh, don't do that. Well, I wasn't rolling enough to put them brakes on. So we got to redeem ourselves. We got enough. That's a tough little plane right there.
Seconds.
Yeah, okay. HSD Jets, she just needs a rudder. If she had a rudder, yaw control, she'd be perfect. And getting that, I know I read the manual. I found the manual for the ESC that comes with it. There is a series of beeps and stuff you can go through to enable reverse thrust, but I spent 2 hours trying to figure it out and try to get it to work. I found that after I'd done the radio video, and I gave up on it. And I said, I'll just do that, but don't do that until you're at the very end. You just need to cut out the rest of that runway, but give yourself some rollout. And you don't have rudder, so crosswind across the runway is not a good recipe because you don't have any yaw correction. So low rates, the factory rates suggested for aileron and elevator, don't go off of them. Use them, because anything higher than that and she gets way too squirrely. But yeah, I'm very pleased. I just wish it had a rudder. If it had a rudder, it'd be perfect. So for that, I'd have to get, if it didn't have a rudder, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Or I'd give it at least a 9 out of 10 if a lot. But if it did, but without a rudder, it's a 6.5 or to 7 out of 10. So still not bad. And plenty of power. For power and performance, oh yeah, I was doing really well. All right, 14 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. Put the battery dead center of the bay. Oh, shoot. Don't drop the plane. Put the battery dead center, okay? And you won't have any problem. But that gear is tough. I mean, it put up with a lot of abuse. Let's check the... I can see where they say it's a beginner plane as far as a beginner jet, because it's very tough, takes a lot of abuse, and it flies good. But if it had rudder, it would be even that much better. It'd be mo better. Be mo better. Okay. Still got 51%, so she's very good on the battery. Very good on the battery. Even after almost 4 minutes of flying, she's still got plenty of juice. So, and that is a 5,000 Turnigy 45C graphene. I'm very impressed with these batteries. I've had very good performance with them thus far. All right, kind of a rough and tumble second flight, but hey, she flies. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. That is the HSD Jets J-10. Good flying bird. I just wish it had a rudder. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and JL10s. Bye-bye.